Hey, hi, hello, good afternoon. Welcome to this session. Welcome to Unacademy ICSE and ISC YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the previous year questions for atomic structure. This is going to be a very important revision session for all of you because we are going to see which type of questions are asked from this atomic structure and chemical bonding chapter. So please do not miss this session. Also, share this session with your friends as much as you can so that they can also have the revision session. So this is Manisha, your class 9 chemistry educator, and I have done my graduation and diploma. I'm a gold medalist in both. I was a university as well as state topper. So these are my credentials, and this is the link of my telegram channel. This is the link of your Unacademy official telegram channel. On this channel you will be getting all the notes in PDF formats and homeworks and all the important links and notifications latest offer you will be receiving on Unacademy telegram channel. Okay, so let me know if anybody is there in the class. So am I clearly visible and audible to everyone? Yes. Am I clearly visible and audible to everyone? Please let me know once if you are there. Also, if you are really liking the classes, do not forget to like the class as well as share it with your friends. Okay? Chalo. Okay. So these are the some special class features which you must know about because these are the special classes which are ongoing absolutely free of cost on the platform. So we can have like real time interactions using the chat and emojis. We can ask questions using the question tab. We can have live poll options for the quiz, leaderboard. Okay, so all these things are present on your Unacademy special free class features, and you can see the special class timetable. So I take classes for class 9 at 5:15 on Unacademy app. So the classes are from 5:15 to 6:15, and 18th we have your gas laws previous year question discussion on gas laws, and then we have revision on water on 21st. So you can join all these classes for absolutely free, no cost, and have a great revision session. Okay, also if you want to have a more personalized experience, if you want to take means enjoy more features related to your live class, related to your doubt solving sessions and all, so everything you can have with single subscription. So Unacademy subscription provides you to learn live from the comfort of your home. You can have unlimited access to all the courses. Top educators of India are teaching on this platform. Okay, regular doubt solving and answer writing sessions are there. Exhaustive coverage of syllabus is there. Mentorship and guidance you will be provided. Study material, practice tests, many more things are there. Okay, you will not be able to means imagine how helpful it can be with your exam preparations. Okay, so if you really want to seriously prepare yourself for your exams, really want to have all of your doubts solved, so please go for the subscription. And the classes that we have for means the pricing for that we are having for class 10 9 is very affordable. So if you take the subscription for class 9, you will get the subscription for 10 11 and 12 for absolutely free. And do not forget to use my code Manisha Live, which will give you 20% discount. Okay, so you will be getting 20% discount. So please do utilize this opportunity and grab this opportunity. Use my code Manisha Live and take the subscription and start your journey for achieving higher feats today only with an academy. So Unlock 20 we have, which is a feature which is giving you 20% discount. So using my code Manisha Live, okay, Manisha Live will give you this 20% discount. This offer was valid till yesterday, but now the offer has been extended. Okay, so we have extended the offer just for you so that whoever has missed this can take the subscription using Manisha Live as a code and getting 20% discount on all the Unacademy subscriptions. Okay, chalo. So we are having a mega offer as well. So if you like take the subscription for 12 months, which is a very optimum period of taking the subscription, because below that also you can take, but you will not get that much benefit. Okay, so taking 12 month subscription will give you two benefits. First benefit is that you will be getting 20% discount, that is there. Also you can get 2 months extension on your 12-month subscription. So just imagine, with the price of 12 months, you're getting the subscription for 14 months. Yes. So this offer is valid only for first 500 subscriptions. So please do take the subscription. Okay. Chal. So before starting the class, let me know if I am clearly visible and audible to everyone. Yes. Am I clearly visible and audible to everyone, so that I can start the class with previous year question discussion, because I have already taken a class on entire atomic structure and chemical bonding, the Rutherford model, Thomson model, Neil Bohr model, everything we have discussed thoroughly, and now it's time to discuss all the questions that can be asked or could have means were asked from this particular topic in the previous year. Okay, so first question says, why was the why it should be like this, why the Thomson model of an atom failed. Okay, so the Thomson's model of an atom, that was known as plum pudding model. Why did it fail? What was the reason of its failure? It could not explain the screening of negative charges from that of positive. It did not tell about the presence of electrons. It did not give an idea about the discrete energy levels. It explained the atom as a whole to be electrically neutral. Choose the correct option from the following. So only third statement is correct option over here. Both 1 and 3 is correct. Only 1 is correct. Both 2 and 4 is correct. So which of the reasons correctly represents the reason for failure of your Thomson's atomic model? Yes, please let me know if you know the answer. Okay. Anyone? Okay. Anyone try to answer it? Okay. So let me answer it. So, first reason, that it could not explain the screening. What is the meaning of screening? Screening means protection. So it could not explain the protection of negative charges from that of the positive. Absolutely correct. Okay. So this was the drawback of Thomson's model of an atom. Then it did not tell about the presence of electron. This is wrong, because Thomson told us the presence of electron in his atomic model. But so this reason is absolutely wrong. It did not give an idea about the discrete energy levels. Absolutely correct. Thomson told that the electrons are embedded in the positively charged sphere. So it did not give any idea about the discrete energy levels. So it is absolutely correct reason for the failure of your Thomson's model of an atom. Hello, Tech Updates. Hello, welcome to the class. So, Tech Updates, here we are discussing the previous year questions from the atomic structure and chemical bonding chapter. So, okay. Okay. So here next is it explained the atom as a whole to be electrically neutral. This is absolutely correct. Your Thomson's atomic model did tell us that yes, your atom is electrically neutral because of the presence of equal number of electrons and protons. So the correct reasons for the failure of Thomson's atomic model was your first reason and third reason. So that means your option B is absolutely correct. These two are the reasons for the failure of Thomson's atomic model. Okay. Next question. What was the source of alpha particles in Rutherford scattering experiment? Hydrogen nucleus, argon nucleus, helium nucleus, none of the above. Okay. So which is the source of your alpha particles in Rutherford scattering experiment? Yes, tell me fast. Anyone? Okay. So do not forget to like the class and subscribe to the channel if you are really liking the classes. Okay. So try to answer it. What was the source of alpha particles in Rutherford scattering experiment? So of course it was helium nucleus, because your alpha particle was having two positive charges. Okay, two positive charge, doubly charged, and 4 AMU as the mass. Yes, 4 AMU atomic mass. So these are the properties of your He2 plus. If you remove both the electrons from helium, it will be your alpha particle. So your helium nucleus was the source of alpha particles in Rutherford scattering experiment. Clear? So option C is absolutely correct over here. Next question. What property of an element determines its chemical behavior? Size of an element, valency of an element, molar mass of the element, or none of these? So which element determines the chemical behavior? Okay. Which of the property determines the chemical behavior of an element? Please try to answer it, everyone. Okay. So try and answer it. Okay. So, okay. So the correct answer is over here is valency of an element. Of course, your valency is responsible for determining all the chemical behavior of an element. Yes, because of the valency only the element either loses the electron or gains the electron or participate in the chemical reaction to achieve noble gas configuration. That means option B is absolutely correct. Next is, which of the following does not match the characteristic of an isotope? Okay. Isotopes of some elements are radioactive. Isotopes are the atoms of different elements. Isotopes differ in number of neutrons. Isotopes have similar chemical properties. Okay. So which of the following characteristic of isotope is absolutely wrong over here? Okay. So please try and answer, everyone. Okay. So try and answer. So anyone in the class would like to answer this question? Yeah? Okay. So let me tell you the answer. So of course isotopes of some elements are radioactive. This is correct. Isotopes are the atoms of different elements. No, this is wrong. Isotopes are not the atoms of different elements, but they belong to the same element. Okay. Now, isotopes differ in number of neutrons. Absolutely correct. Isotopes have similar chemical properties. Absolutely correct, because they have similar atomic numbers. Yes. So, the characteristic of an isotope which is not given correctly over here is number B, option B over here, which does not represent the correct form of the characteristic of an isotope. So, of course, option number B is absolutely correct answer over here, but this is a wrong characteristic of an isotope. Clear, everyone? I hope it is clear to everyone. Yeah. Next question. Which of the following statements is incorrect about the structure of an atom? The whole mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. The atom is an indivisible particle. The atom as a whole is neutral. All the atoms are stable in their basic state. Out of the given four statements, please choose the wrong statement about the structure of an atom. Is it 1 and 3? Is it only 2? Is it 2 and 4? Or none of these? So if you can answer it, please try and answer, everyone. Okay. So all of you, please try to answer it. Okay. So anyone would like to answer this question? Okay, let me answer it for you. So structure of an atom. Okay, the whole mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Absolutely correct. Atom is indivisible particle? No, this was wrong, because after the discovery of electron, proton and neutron, we know atom is no more further indivisible particle. It can be divided to give your electrons and protons and neutrons. Yes, so this is absolutely wrong about the structure of an atom. Atom as a whole is neutral? Correct. All the atoms are stable in their basic state? Not correct, because the atoms of radioactive elements are not stable in their basic state. That means your option number 2 and 4, these two options are not correct about the structure of an atom, That means option C is your correct answer over here. Option number C means 2 and 4. Second and fourth statement is incorrect about the structure of an atom. Clear? Chalo. Next question. Which scientist gave the concept of fixed energy levels around the nucleus? Ernest Rutherford, Niels Bohr, J. J. Thomson, none of these. So, which of the following scientists gave the means idea of your fixed energy levels around the nucleus? Tell me fast if you know the answer. Everyone. Yes. So, I'm just waiting so that you should be able to answer this question. Okay. So the correct answer over here is of course Niels Bohr. When Ernest Rutherford's model failed to, okay, very good Uzar, well done. Yes, very good Uzar. It's B option. Yes. So when your Ernest Rutherford model uh, failed to explain the stability of an atom, and his according to his model the electrons were radiating continuously, they were radiating energy, because any charged particle when it is accelerated it always radiates energy. So according to that, your electron should revolve, and at a time it should lose all its energy and again fall into the nucleus. But that was not happening. The atoms are very stable. Yes. So to explain this stability, Niels Bohr gave the concept of your fixed energy levels or discrete energy levels, in which electron was residing and electrons were not radiating energy continuously. Okay. So yes, Ozar, very good. Yes, he gave the concept of stability of atoms. So this is Niels Bohr's. Clear? Next question. What prevents an atom from being collapsed? Okay. Why your atom does not collapse? Why your electrons are not attracted by the protons and fall in the nucleus? Why this is not happening? Because of the nuclear forces, because of the movement of electrons in discrete energy levels, because of the electron-electron repulsion, or all of these. Why your electrons are not falling inside the nucleus due to attractive force of the protons and your atom is not collapsing? Why this is so? So which of the following is the correct answer? Please try to answer it. No, Ozar, A will not be the answer over here. Nuclear forces are responsible for keeping your protons and neutrons, together, because all the protons are positively charged and they are residing in a very small space. So nuclear force is responsible for keeping them together. Okay. So D. No. If A is not the correct answer, then how can be your D can be the correct answer? Yes, it is not D, of course. Okay. So it's not D, it's B. When the movement of electrons in discrete energy level is preventing your atom from being collapsed. Okay. So your electrons, all of you know, are in continuous motion, due to which a centrifugal force is generated. This centrifugal force is overcoming the attractive force of the proton, which is keeping the electrons, which is preventing the electrons from falling inside the nucleus, and hence preventing an atom from being collapsed. Okay. So your option B is absolutely correct. That is the movement of electrons in discrete energy level, which is giving rise to centrifugal force. And this centrifugal force is exactly equal to the attractive forces of the protons, and due to which your electrons are not. This is your centrifugal force. This is your attractive force of protons. So because of this, your electrons are continuously in motion and not falling inside the nucleus. Clear? Okay. Yes, Piyush is telling C. No, option C is not the correct answer. I told you the reason why option B is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, chalo, very good. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Next question. Which of the following pairs are isobars? All of you please observe the pairs carefully, and you have to tell me which of the following are the pairs of isobar. Okay? Okay. No need to say sorry, Piyush. It's okay. So please try to answer it. Everyone. And do not forget to like the class. Okay. Very good, Piyush. Yes. Yes. Very good, Piyush and Uzar. Yes, absolutely correct. This is option number B. Your argon and calcium are the pair of isobars because they have their atomic masses equal to each other. Very good. Yeah, very good, Aryan. Well, yes, it's B option. Next question. Okay. Now, which of the following is an incorrect statement in reference with observation in Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment? Some of the alpha particles rebound after hitting the gold foil. Some of the particles deflected from their path. Some of the particles not did not pass through the gold foil. Okay, it should be did not. Most of the particles pass straight through the gold foil. So, which of the given option is an incorrect statement in reference with the observation in Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment? Okay. Hello, Sitlingesh. Welcome to the class. Okay. Atoms of different elements have same mass number but different atomic numbers. Yes, very good, Ozar. Okay, so Ozar is giving the definition of isobars in the comment section. Okay, very good. Option D. No, 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 no. Yes, Aryan. Yes, absolutely correct, Aryan. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. So, this observation was not there that some of the particles did not pass through the gold foil. Why there are some of the particles will not pass through the gold foil? Yes. So, some particles were deflected from their path by major angles or minor angles. Some particles, alpha particles, that was your 1 in every 12,000. Okay, rebounded after hitting the gold foil, and most of the particles passed straight through the gold foil because of the empty space. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, very good, Azar. So, next question. Which radioactive element is used in the treatment of cancer? Iodine 131, uranium 234, plutonium 239 and cobalt 60. Which of the following radioactive element is used in the treatment of your cancer? Let me know if you know the answer. Yes? Okay. Okay, very good, Ozar. Very good. Yes, very good. Oh no, Aryan, it's not iodine 131. No, 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 no. D option is correct. Cobalt 60 is used in the radioactive, yeah, radiation therapy in the treatment of your cancer. Okay. So it's cobalt 60. Clear? Iodine 131 is used in your nuclear plants. Okay. So it's cobalt 30. Goiter होगा iodine का. Goiter is that is a different thing. Ozar, goiter is not means it is not like treating your goiter. Means isotope of iodine is you means it is used in treating goiter, but basically the main usage of iodine 131 is in the nuclear plants. Okay, as a fuel. Clear? Okay. Chalo. So yes, your iodine 131 is used in your treatment of your goiter. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Cobalt 60 is used in the treatment of your cancer and other diseases for radiotherapy basically. Okay, chalo. Next question. Why do most of the elements try to participate in the chemical combinations or chemical reactions you can call it? Okay. So to gain more electrons, to achieve inert gas configuration, to complete their octet, to complete their inner shells. Out of the four statements, which represents the correct reason for the elements trying to participate in the chemical reaction? Both 1 and 3, 2 and 3, only 2, or both 1 and 4. So please try to answer it. Yes. Uranium 235 is used as a fuel in atomic reactor. Yes, Ozat, absolutely correct. Your uranium 235 is used in the fuel in the nuclear reactors. Okay. Chalo. B, I think. Yeah, very good. Hello, Vaishnavi. B, yeah, of course. So, Vaishnavi and Uzair, yes, absolutely correct. Your option B is correct answer. That means statement second and statement third. These two statements are the correct reasons for the elements trying to participate in chemical reaction. Okay. So, to gain more electrons, no, this is not the reason that your elements participate in your uh, chemical reactions. Clear? Okay. Next is your in alpha particle scattering experiment, few alpha particles rebounded because most of the space in the atom is occupied. Positive charge of the atoms occupy very less space. Mass of the atom is concentrated in the center. All the positive charge and mass of the atom is concentrated in small volume. So what is the reason for the rebounding of a very few alpha particles? So please try to answer this. Okay. Also, please keep liking the classes so that I can know, yes, my students are enjoying the class. The class is perfect for them. Yeah. Okay. So option D. Uh, see, Piyush, this is mass of the atom is concentrated in small volume. Okay. C. The mass of the atom is concentrated in the center. No, 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 no. It should be your option number B, that your positive charge of the atoms occupy a very little space. Okay. So because of this only, due to a very small concentration of positive charge, your alpha particle was also positively charged, and when it was going and hitting the positive charge, so it was rebounding back. Okay, rebounding back. So option B is the correct answer over here. Okay, very good, Piyush. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Anyone having any doubt? Till now, any question? Anyone is having any doubt? Okay, chalo. Now next question. Which of the following statements about the electron is incorrect? It is negatively charged particles. Mass of electron is equal to the mass of neutron. It is a basic constituent of all the atoms. It is constituent of cathode rays. So which of the following options given here is incorrect about the electron? Tell me fast. Yes. Okay, very good, Piyush. Yes. Option B is absolutely correct over here. So, yes, option B is the correct answer. The mass of electron, okay, the mass of electron is equal to the mass of neutron. No, this is not correct. Your mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Mass of electron is 1.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay. No, D no. How can it be D, Piyush? It will be B no, because electrons were the constituent of cathode rays. This is absolutely correct. This is perfectly correct. Okay. Because of means cathode rays were showing all the properties of your electrons only. It is a basic constituent of all atom. Clear. So B is the correct option over here. Clear. Now, one question from my side. What happens when cathode rays are subjected to electric and magnetic field? So what is happening when your cathode rays are subjected to electric and magnetic field? Option A, they travel in straight line. All these things I have already explained in the class. They get deflected from their path. They get scattered. Both A and B are correct. So which of the given option is correct about the phenomena that is happening when you are subjecting your cathode rays to the electric and magnetic field? Are they traveling in straight line? Are they getting deflected from their path? Are they getting scattered? Or both A and B is happening over here? Yes? Hello, the review. Okay, TH review. So get kinetic energy. Ozar, how will they get kinetic energy? Just let me know. Subjecting any charged particle to electric or magnetic field will not give them kinetic energy. So tell me fast, will they travel in straight line? Will they get deflected from their path? Will they get scattered? What will happen to them? Yes? Anyone would like to answer it? Okay, so basically what is happening when you are subjecting your cathode rays, which is basically your part means rays made up of charged particles, that is your negatively charged particles. So whenever you subject any charged particle to electric and magnetic field, they get deflected. Okay, so they do not travel in straight line, they are getting deflected from their path. Okay, yes. Okay, okay, Ozar, very good. Okay. So, the review, yes, okay, hydrogen chapter. So, if your hydrogen loses one electron, of course, it will form H plus ion. It will not have any shells. It will be only a nucleus. Yes, it will only be a nucleus carrying your positively charged, just like your alpha particles, in which your helium loses all its two electrons and becomes He2 plus, that is alpha particle, a radioactive ray, and hence it is used in the alpha particle scattering experiment. Okay. So your no shells will be there. It will be a pure nucleus, but that is a very unstable form of hydrogen atom. That's why it combines with your NH3 to form NH4 plus. Okay, or any other compound or atom to get its electron back and form stable element. Clear? So is it clear to everyone? Okay, next question. When X-rays are produced, okay, when X-rays are produced, so option A, when cathode rays passes through any gas, when beam of cathode rays hit hard metal surface, when cathode rays are subjected to electric field, or none of the above. So when your X-rays will be produced, please answer this question. I have given you the option already. Okay. So please try to answer it, everyone. Okay. A. Okay. A is not the correct answer, Uzair, over here. Okay. So try to answer it, everyone. B. Okay. So yes, of course, B is the correct answer. So whenever your beam of cathode rays is hitting a hard metallic surface like tungsten and all, it produces X-rays. Okay, X-rays are produced. Okay. So this is known as photoelectric effect basically. Okay. So let me take you to the black screen and let me ask you more questions which are from your previous year and sample paper. Okay. Chalo. Properties of anode rays. What are the properties of anode rays? Option A, anode rays travel in straight line. Option B, E by M ratio of anode rays is not constant. Option C, anode rays cause fluorescence on the screen behind cathode. Option D, all of the above. So what among four options, which is the correct property of your anode rays? Yes, tell me fast the answer. Which is the correct property of your anode rays? Uzair, Piyush, Aryan, everyone, please try to answer it. The review. Okay. So try to answer it. The properties of anode rays are among the which is the correct property of your anode rays? Okay. So D. Yes, of course. So yes, of course, the correct answer is your D. That is, all of the above are correct. The properties of anode rays are absolutely correct. The anode rays travel in straight line. E by M ratio of anode rays is not constant. Anode rays cause fluorescence on the screen behind cathode. All of the above is correct. Yes, very good, Ozar. Now, next question. On which factors E by M ratio of cathode rays depend? Nature of gas, type of cathode, both A and B, none. So on which factor your E by M ratio of cathode rays was depending? Nature of gas, type of cathode, both A and B, or none? Tell me fast the answer. Was there review? Everyone who is there, Piyush, Aryan. Okay. Try to answer it, and also please do not forget to like the class. Okay. Okay. I did not study this concept. Okay, okay. Hello, Shreyansh. C, I think. No. Actually, it is option number D. None. Okay. On which factors your E by M ratio of cathode rays depend? None. Your cathode rays ka E by M ratio is always constant. E by M ratio of the cathode ray is always constant, that is 1.76 into 10 to the power 11 coulomb per kg. Clear? Yes. So one thing I would like to tell you all of you. So today means 17th of February at 8 p.m. on this channel we are going to solve the sample question paper for class 9. Okay, for chemistry. So I will request you all of you to please note means put a alarm for 8 p.m. so that you can join the session. You do not miss this session. Also share the link of the session with your friends as well. This is available on this channel. Okay. So today 8 p.m. we are going to solve class 9 ICSE sample question paper for chemistry. No, Uzair CBSE का नहीं, ICSE, okay? Okay, so please do note down this time and do join the session at time 8 p.m. Okay. Structure of atom. No, Uzair. What you are writing, what you are asking, Uzair, I'm not understanding your question. Okay, so it will be none. So I was talking about the E by M ratio of cathode rays. E means charge. Okay, this is the charge. Charge of an electron. Okay, and M is the mass of an electron, and all of you know your every electron has the same charge and mass, so their ratio will never ever vary. Okay, it will never ever depend on any of the thing, that is, you use any gas, you use any metal as cathode, that doesn't matter. Your E by M ratio for cathode rays will always be constant. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know once. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. And okay, chalo. Let's go to our next one. Okay. Chalo. Same question, only the question on which factors E by M ratio of anode rays depend. Please try to answer this one. On which factor E by M ratio of anode rays depend? Yes. Anode rays E by M ratio depends on which factor? Anyone? Nature of gas, type of cathode, both A and B, or none? Okay. So here the correct answer is your nature of gas. Okay. So your E by M ratio for anode rays depends upon the nature of gas, like which gas you are using. Let's say we are using your hydrogen gas. So your hydrogen will ionize to produce H plus and E minus. Yes. Yes, Aditya, very good. Option A is the correct one. Nitrogen will produce your N plus and E minus. Now, these electrons are responsible for your cathode rays, and you can see all the electrons have same mass and same charge. But these ions, that is H plus, N plus, these are constituting your anode rays. And all of you can see H plus will have different mass, N plus will have different mass. Okay, charge is same. Charge for every proton is same, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Yes, but the mass will be different because hydrogen will have only one proton, nitrogen will have your 7 protons. Yes, so all the gases, all the ions of the gases will have, positively charged ions will have different masses, and hence their E by M ratio will also differ. That's why this will depend on the nature of the gas. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Please let me know once. Yes? Now I am proceeding to next question. Now, properties of cathode rays. Okay, option A, produce shadow of an opaque object in path. Option B, produced mechanical effects on the object in path. Produced X-rays when hit the metal surface, metals. Option D, all of the above. So out of the given properties, which is the correct property of your cathode ray? Please tell me first. Aditya, Ozair, Piyush, anyone in the class would like to answer this question? Okay. So tell me fast if you know the answer. So okay, very good Aditya. Yes, the correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Okay. So your cathode rays will produce the shadow of an opaque object in path. It will produce mechanical effects on the object in the path. It will produce X-rays when hit the metal, and all of the above are correct options over here. Next one. Okay, okay, review. Okay, no issues. I will not mind. Okay, ठीक है. It's okay. I can explain it in Hindi, but there are certain students who want the content to be in English, so I will explain in both the languages, Hindi as well as English. Okay, no issues. I also like Hindi language. That is our mother tongue. Yes, of course. So that is not the reason over here. Okay. So, chalo. So we will explain the things in Hindi. Now, who gave the scheme for distribution of electrons? Yes, who gave the scheme for distribution of electrons in the different shells? So, किसने स्कीम दिया इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन द डिफरेंट सेल्स के लिए? ऑप्शन ए बोर एंड रथरफोर्ड, बोर एंड ब्यूरी, only Bohr, option D none. So who gave the scheme for distribution of electrons in the different shells? Like if your electron should be distributed in the by the formula of 2n square. So this distribution of electrons in the different shell was given by whom? Bohr and Rutherford, Bohr and Bury, Bohr and none of the above. Yes, very good Aditya Raj. Yes, absolutely correct. एकदम correct answer है. Bohr and Bury ने बताया कि how your electron should be distributed in the different shells, and then we got this formula 2n square. ठीक है, 2n square was the formula that we received, and this shows you the maximum possible electrons that can be accommodated in any shell. Okay, maximum possible electrons in any shell. Clear? Yes? Okay. Then next is, so now I'm just asking you the questions from chemical bonding. Which bond is formed between two atoms by completely losing and gaining electrons? So if your atoms are completely losing or gaining electrons, which bond will be formed over here? Yes, option A, coordinate bond. Option B, electrovalent bond. Option C, covalent bond. Option D, your hydrogen bond. So which bond is formed between the two atoms by completely losing and gaining electrons? Jaldi, fast, give the answer. Okay, anyone? Okay, try to answer it. It's a very easy question. Which bond is formed between the two atoms by completely losing or gaining electrons? Or you can say by complete transfer of electrons from one atom to the other. Okay. So the correct answer is, anyone would like to give it before I give the answer? Review, Aditya Raj, Ozad, Piyush, anyone? Okay. So the correct answer is, of course, electrovalent bond. So electrovalent bonds are only known as your ionic bonds. Yes. And these bonds are formed by, yes, Pranjal, B option is the correct answer. So, and these bonds are formed by complete transfer. Okay. Complete transfer of electrons between the atoms. Yeah, from one atom to other. You can write like that. Okay. So complete transfer of atom, complete transfer of electron is taking place from one atom to other. Clear? Okay. So once again, I would like to remind you to join the class at 8 p.m. for class 9, because there we are going to solve your ICSE sample question paper. Okay, released by your ICSE board for chemistry. So do join that session and solve all your doubts that you have with your sample paper. Clear? Chalo. So here your electrovalent bond is the correct answer. Now next question. Electrovalent bond is formed between one metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal. Metal and metal. Non-metal and non-metal. Both. Okay. One metal and one non-metal. Yes, yes, very good, Pranjal. Yes, absolutely correct. The correct answer is your option number A, metal and non-metal. So electrovalent bond is always formed between a metal and a non-metal. And in that case, your metal has always to lose electron and non-metal has to always gain electron. Okay? Clear, everyone? Okay. I hope it is clear to everyone and no doubt is there in this particular question. Chalo. Now, question. Formation of ionic bonds is an example of option A, oxidation reaction, option B, redox reaction, option C, both A and B, option D, none. So your formation of ionic bonds is an example of what? Tell me fast. Is it an example of oxidation reaction? Is it an example of redox reaction? Or is it an example of both A and B? Or none of the above is correct? Tell me fast, everyone. So everyone, keep liking the class and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also do not forget to join the session today at 8 p.m. Okay, that is a session on your sample question paper solving. Okay, So I'm going to give the answer over here. Your formation of ionic bond, this is an example of both oxidation reactions also and redox, your oxidation reaction also and reduction reaction also. Okay, so the correct option is option number B, redox reaction. Clear? The answer is redox reaction over here, because in case of ionic bonds what happened, your metal जो atom है that loses its electron, means it becomes electropositive ion, है ना? So electropositive ion is becoming here, so that is your oxidation. The oxidation is loss of electrons, and then we have your formation of electronegative ion, so gain of electron is there, so that is your reduction. So hence your formation of ionic bond is a very good example of your redox reactions, means oxidation and reduction. So whose oxidation is taking place here? Oxidation of metals, okay, and reduction of non-metals. Is it clear, everyone? So your metals are becoming electropositive ion and non-metals are becoming electronegative. So I told you two terms, oil and rig. So oil is loss of electrons, reduction is gain of electrons. So option B is the correct answer over here. Clear, everyone? Any doubt? Should I give more examples over here? Hello Suman, welcome to the class. Yes, this is for ICSE class 9. Okay, please what you're writing, please ISC. Yes, Suman, this channel is dedicated to your ICSE and ISC students. Okay. So I hope this particular thing is absolutely clear to everyone. ISC class 12. Yes, Suman, you will find the sessions for ISC class 12 also on this particular channel. Just go to the playlist, okay, and there you can find the classes of your chemistry, physics, bio and mathematics. Okay, so you can find the classes for your ISC also and ICSE also, 9 and 10. Okay, so this channel is purely for ICSE and ISC students, 9 to 12. Okay, so clear everyone, please let me know once if it is clear. Next question. Properties of covalent compounds. Formed by sharing of electrons, poor conductor of electricity, low melting and boiling points, all of the above. Okay, so out of the given properties, which correctly represent the property of the covalent compounds? Formed by sharing of electron, poor conductor of electricity, low melting and boiling points, all of the above. Which one is the correct property of your covalent compounds? Tell me fast, everyone. Anyone? Okay. So correct answer is all of the above. Okay. So all of the above is correct over here, that these all are the properties of your covalent compounds. So there is a good news for all of you, that you get one more chance to appear for Unacademy Prodigy, because now we are having Unacademy Prodigy on 27th of Feb. Yes, Aditya, absolutely correct. So you can enroll yourself for this particular test and appear for this test at 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. on 27th Feb. Do not forget to use my code Manisha Live. If you are a highest scorer in this test, you will be getting the exciting prizes, as well as you will be able to analyze your level and competition and your preparation, everything. Okay, so please do appear for this test. And these are the ongoing batches on Unacademy which you can join for your serious preparations for class 9 as well as for your higher classes, because the preparation for any competitive exam starts here. Your class 9 is the base of every competitive exam, be it your IIT, be it your NEET, be it your any exam. Okay, so do join these batches which will give you an edge over the other students, where you can again accelerate your preparations, you can have better idea, you can solve all your doubts, everything you will be having on these plus batches. Okay, so do not forget to join the batch. We have class 9 batches in English as well as in Hindi language. You can join accordingly as per your requirement. With single subscription you're getting all these things. Okay, and you can get in touch with with your counselor. This is the number, you can dial this number and you can ask all your queries here. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching the session live. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Share it with all your friends and let's meet again at 8 p.m. Tonight, where I will be solving your sample question paper. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you and bye. Take